good number of games. Really happy to see 4. A few minutes ago, there were just 1 game, so seeing 3 more included is a really good number because we only have 12 people who joined the game jam. 4 submissions is a really good number. So,
and that means on average we have 3 persons per team, right?
Yeah, something like that. So I know some people are working solo, so it's okay.
Good.
We'll find out who made what game, so that's okay.
Karen, will you stream the games today?
Yeah, I will share my screen. So basically, the live stream today is, so I will play through the games, and you can, see the games and write comments and everything, or if you want to explain something about your game. So because I can see the chat all the time, so when I get stuck playing your game or something goes wrong, then you can just let me know.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, maybe we just give a few more minutes so more people can join, if that's okay.
Yeah, we can wait and talk. Let's say have some chat. But overall, this session is being recorded. So if you miss this session, you can always, if somebody will miss this session, so they can always join the record and see the recording. So that's not a problem. And everything is in our events and stream online platform. It's free access for everybody. The only thing I have to mention that we cannot share publicly Zoom or any other meeting links and passwords. This is against the policy. So this is for security reasons, because, nowadays we have raids and whatever. That's why we have to keep them there and only share privately, like DM, direct message. That's technical information. So honestly, I haven't seen the games myself, so I'm really waiting to see them. And the theme, which is authored by Karen, like light and dark, right? This is also cool, interesting. So it's interesting. Will there be more black and white games or color games with light and shadows?
There's lots of different possibilities. So it's really exciting to see what kind of games are going to be shown in just a few minutes. I will share my screen and I will just go through all the games. I think that's the best way to do so. So when people are watching this recording, then they can see me playing the games. Obviously, everyone who is here and watching the stream, you can go to each page and you can also download the games and try them out yourself if you like some of the games. So, because the Zoom meeting, when I play, it might be a little laggy and so on. So if you want the best experience yourself, there's 2 games made on WebGL. So they're playable on the browser, and 2 of them you have to download. So it's up to you how you want to try them out. But yeah, I think I can also share the link. So the entries, I'm sure everyone can see. That's the entries link. So if you click that link, you can see all the games. And I'm going to share that on Discord as well. Because there's no time to submit any new games. That's why I can share them already. I did extend the submission period up to 20 minutes. Actually 30 minutes, so you still have 20 minutes to submit your game. I didn't want anyone to be left out just because of technical issues and so on. But yeah, I don't think there's more games coming in right now. And if there is, I will probably see that. We will obviously look into the new games that come, but that's it. Yeah. Before we start, maybe someone wants to write in the chat, how was the experience? Did you work in a team? How was it? How was the distance game jam? If you have any experience to share.
You can also talk. If you wish, we can turn on your microphone or even camera. You can talk.
Yeah.
Anybody wants to share his experience? You can write in the chat for sure. Here or in Game Jam channel in our server. Everybody's silent. So, how was your game? Oh, it was very interesting. Okay. What else? It was fun.
Okay, that's very good. So, are game jams something you would like to do in the future? Because the plan is after every time we finish with this Unity course, there's going to be a game jam. So ideally, if you stick around, this was your first game jam and you're experienced now. So the next time, I hope there's like, double the people. So people starting out and also you guys who are like now veterans of game jam. So yeah.
That was really first like experience for this also server. And I see here a comment from one user, Artix. I was coder and my teammate was artist. It was very interesting, and this was first game jam I joined. So that is really also cool comment. That means, so it was very interesting. This is clear. This is really interesting experience. It was fun. Yes, because this is really fun. And also it's a teamwork, as we can see from the comments. Yeah, you combine fun with,
well,
yeah.
I have some inside info with Artix. So yeah, that's really cool because his artist was actually one of the students from Solent University. So that's making contacts with people who are really close to the industry and those skills. So that's really cool. Combining people.
As far as I know, Artix, you are from Latvia, right? And as far as I remember, and I know that, yeah, super, yeah. And your teammate was from UK, Great Britain, like Solon University. By the way, Karen also studied at Solon University. As far as I know, am I right?
Yeah, that's right. That's how I spread the word. Because we have like in the Solent University, we had this community of game developers, and I shared this game jam there as well, and it was really cool because I haven't met this student myself, but she was actually a first year student, so it's really good that the information has already spread enough that the first year students have access to the game jams and everything and the community. So that's cool.
That's cool. That's cool and international. All right, Karen, I think 15 minutes already gone. Oh, somebody wanted to share the video with us. Anyway, if you have any comments, questions, we can allow absolutely to share your screens and to talk about yourselves. But I think, Karen, we can start now streaming the games.
Yeah, in that case, I will need to share my screen. So can I do that? Share my screen. Oh, I need to be a host. Can you do that?
Sure. I'll give you a co-host.
Okay.
And please.
All right. So let's see. Share a screen. Okay. You can see my itch.io page now, hopefully. Can you see my screen?
Yes. Absolutely.
Okay, that's good. Right, so as you can see, we have 4 games right now. Let me see. I'm gonna open the chat for myself as well. So if you have any comments, I can read them through. So the first game we have is Voidskeeper. Interesting. So the person who made this game, are you here?
Yes. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome, welcome.
All right, so let's check out this game. All right. So if you want, you can talk about your game or the experience you had if you worked alone or
So yeah, we worked in a group of 3. So we just it was a pretty close call. We just finished, and
Cool.
basically the game should be it's pretty straightforward. You have black holes in your on your screen, and you can see them since they're black holes. You can detect them only using scouting bullets, which are affected by the black hole's gravitational field. So they would change their trajectory based on if they're close to those holes. That's how you can approximate where they are and use the killer bullets to make the holes disappear.
Oh, that's advanced physics. For me, it sounds very advanced physics, like gravitation.
All right. Sounds cool. So I'm gonna enable sound from my computer. If it's too loud or something, let me know. Because when I was streaming sound coming from my computer, then sometimes it's really, really loud. So to avoid that, I'm gonna make sure it's really quiet on my end.
Okay.
Is there any music?
And super, thank you for your comment. And I hope we'll play that game and see.
Okay, the downloads. Oh, I have to
Probably
extract
not.
everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so let's open this up. I hope my sound is okay. How was this sound? This notification sound? Was
You
it too
can do a
loud?
bit louder, I
That's
think.
good.
But it's okay.
I can turn up the volume. It's okay. Okay.
I think
Let's see. Oh,
25
there's a
would be
custom
okay,
icon as well. 25.
approximately. Yeah, good.
Okay. So when you download a Unity game, then sometimes it says window protected your PC. So what you have to do is click on demo info and run anyway. So hopefully.
Hopefully you don't have any viruses there coded.
All right. Can you see my screen? Wow, that looks really nice. All audio and visuals created by us.
What is the engine for this?
This is Unity engine.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, looks really nice. Really cool.
And please note that the lags are due to streaming live, like Zoom streaming. If you will play that yourselves, you will not have these lags.
Tutorial, okay.
Yeah. So if you press.
Wow, this looks really nice.
You can comment. Go on.
Yeah. So basically, you can. It's a bit like Minesweeper. We basically took inspiration from Minesweeper, and yeah, you can repeat this game over and over and try to make your time better.
Oh, you have it.
You have three board sizes and 3 difficulty settings. I suggest using the lowest settings, since even the lowest settings take about 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay. All right. That looks really nice. I really like everything about this menu. Looks really good.
So yeah,
Okay.
I also like the comment. All
wouldn't
audio
suggest
and
moving
visuals
too
are
much.
created by us.
So yeah, you can see how it curves. So it means somewhere there is a black hole. If it gets curved, that means and you ran into one.
And
So
does
yeah.
that mean that black hole sucks you into itself?
It doesn't suck you in. Oh, yeah, it sucks. It's basically when you get too close, you lose since you get sucked in. So yeah, that was a black hole.
So there is something there up. 12 o'clock.
So yeah, it gets curved. So it's like it's about 11:30. And I wouldn't suggest getting too close. Yep. So yeah, there's 8 more.
Okay, so you have to be like really careful.
Yeah. Well, this is
But
like
you can-
Minesweeper. you do something too fast, you will lose.
I like the music.
Okay, I think it's really interesting. I think it's a really interesting concept because like you can like spam around, but you also have the time goal is to have the best time, I think.
Yeah, you can spam the killer bullets, but that won't really help you since there is a 4-second cooldown between them. So you really have to plan out where you shoot those. Usually, if you know a bullet, if you see a scout bullet curve, and then you shoot somewhere at the black hole and it goes straight, then you know that's exactly where it is.
Okay, that's really cool. How many people programming this game?
Actually, based by me single-handedly, and one of us made all the designs, and one of us took care of the particle systems and everything else.
So 3 people.
Yeah.
Okay, have you worked before?
I don't do games professionally, but I just have some experience with Unity game making.
Okay. I'm not really good at this game.
Karen cannot stop. You see, it's so engaging that Karen cannot stop.
So yeah, if the bullet is curving left, it means that if the bullet curves left, it means that the black hole is on the left too. Basically.
Black hole on the left.
What happens if you win?
You go to another screen, and it shows your time.
Okay.
Nothing really that much.
Do you have any other
there
levels?
There is an Easter egg. When you start, I can tell you that there is an Easter egg. It takes about 6 minutes.
Okay.
Basically,
right.
If you stay in the, when you boot up the game, if you stay on this screen for 6 minutes, you will get an Easter egg. Just yeah.
Wow. Alright, so if someone wants to try out the Easter egg, then now you know how to do that. So yeah, I think it's a really interesting game. It's really like the menus and all that side is really, I think it's a really cool game. Maybe with a little work, you can also port that on Android or something, make a puzzle game, publish that.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, add some more levels.
Okay.
And
well, that was cool. Features and you know, but yeah, I mean, even at this stage, just port this on mobile. Make sure you keep this game in your portfolio if you're interested in game development in the future. I think it was a pretty cool concept and game. So yeah, well done. Can we have clapping in the chat?
I can simulate that.
Okay. Right, so now we have dark and light parkour. So let's see how this works. So is this online? Oh, you have to download that. Luckily, I already did. So dark and light. Yes.
Artix is clapping.
All right. So let's take a look at this one. So is the creator of this game in the chat? Oh, okay. Yes, you are. That's good. So there's more than one people making this game. There's 3. Okay. Are all 3 people in here today?
So 2 here for sure. The third one, yeah, third is not here. All right.
Here. That's okay. All right. Did you not build the game, or is this just a Unity project? I mean, if it is, then that's okay as well. I'll do my best. So usually it's better to build your game so we can run this from the icon, but it's okay. I just have to open this in Unity engine itself, and now you revealed all the source code to me, but that's okay. That's okay. I promise I'm not gonna steal your game.
We didn't have so much.
We don't have so
yeah,
much time.
We understand you.
That's okay. But yeah, after the live stream, make sure you build the game and upload the zip version instead, because otherwise people can take your hard work and publish this as their own. And also it's uncomfortable for people to build the game because not everyone has Unity installed. So because you have to open everything in the engine, but for this stream, it's okay. No problem at all. So before we continue with this game, I think it's better to try out something that's on the web. And so this game should be on web. So run game. So if you build as a WebGL, you can upload it directly up here and you can just start playing. So I see Richard, you made this game. Are you in the chat as well? You're okay, that's cool.
Cool.
Do you have any comments before we start? Something you want to talk about? The experience? Did you build the game alone or you had a team?
Alone.
Alone?
Solo
Okay.
developer. You can turn on your
Solo
mic if you
developer.
wish.
Okay. No thanks, that's okay. Okay, let's get started. So as we can see here, the goal of the game is to save the world from the dark side. Can I make this bigger? Yes, I can. Kill all enemies on the ground yard when it opens. Okay, so you can read. Or do you want me to read that?
Boss.
Oh, actually, I can do it. So, right, let's see. If you press play, does it work? We have music. So we have a 3D game. Okay, it's a bit loud. Is it still loud? I think I can't. Okay. We have to destroy stuff. Okay. So we have some nice piano music. Is it still loud? Because I reduced the sound on my computer. Oh, you can see there's a secret here.
Underground.
Wow.
Okay. Music intensifies.
Oh,
Karen, you
thanks
did
for
it.
saying. Oh, turn around. It's like an angel. Okay.
It's for saving.
Okay, cool. Right.
Claps, claps, claps. Panda Moments, right? Inspirational, emotional, touching. And 9 out of 10 IGN. Claps. Cool.
Okay. All right. Well, that was cool. Because there was not too much time to improve everything that's reasonable, and you made this alone, so that's a very good job. To make it better, so you don't clip through the walls, you can look into some physics materials. They make everything like smoother, so you don't clip through the walls that easily. Okay. Sorry?
You can talk.
Oh, Artix is gonna upload the game one more time. Okay. Yeah, you can do that. And if you can't, I think you can still edit the game. Okay, I'm gonna extend the deadline a little bit, just because we don't have any more games coming in anyways. So if you need to fix something very fast, then that's okay. Because this is the first time we're making this game jam, so we don't want anyone to miss out. Which it says, originally it was lighter and purple textures, was moving like fire. You submitted last second, by the way. Okay, that's cool.
Karen, as far as I know, in some game jams, I mean, in many of them, even there is time to fix bugs after the submission, right?
Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. It depends on the host does that, but most likely it's like after the submission time, you can't update that either. But yeah, I'm really happy that this game was submitted. Like, there was some work to be done, but like I said before starting the game jam, even if you don't have the whole weekend or that much time to polish everything, still submit the game. It's still fun to see, and yeah, that's really cool. Okay, so next game. Or does anyone have any ideas, comments, whatever, before we continue? No? Okay.
I think let's go for the next one.
All right. So the next one we wanted to look at was by I can't pronounce Karpovkin. And this one was in the Unity engine itself. So let's try to play this game. What's up with that? Go full screen. Okay, some reason it doesn't want to go. I think it's the Zoom maybe playing around here. But anyways, what we can do is maximize on play, so everything's good with that. Let's see if there's sound or anything like that. So, okay, no sound for now. We have a nice main menu. We have options, quit, play. Okay, what are the options? Volume. That's a really nice slider. Options don't work. We don't have to know about that. Right, so let's try this out. Do you have volume? Yes, I do. So play. Oh, it's a 2D game. That's cool. Oh, it's a really fast one. So I think this might be the reason, why it's so fast is, I think you probably forgot to use delta time. Can I use arrow keys? No, just buttons. So that's like mobile game design, you see.
It's a platformer game, right?
Yeah. Okay, so it's like being on ice, that increases the difficulty. And I have to be really careful with everything. Okay, there's nothing on that side.
Oops.
I went too fast. That's cool. Okay, so as I remember, there was a group of 3 people making this game. Do you want to talk about, the experience or anything? Like, how was the group working experience over like a long distance, and so on? Oops, it's really fast. Can I because I'm in the game engine, maybe I can make my character go slower. Oh, I need to select the property. Okay, I'm gonna give this one more go without changing anything. It's just I'm too fast right now. It's really difficult to move that. Oh, as you can see, I'm just pressing this button for like a microsecond, and I'm
Oh yes,
really
you did
fast.
it, Karen.
Yes. No. No.
Oh, missed the platform.
Okay. I'm gonna try something. We have scenes because I have the source code now. I'm gonna steal the game. Scenes, game, and I have my first character. We have move speed, 200. I'm a hacker man now, as you can see. I'm hacking. Oh, that's better. So let's see, a platformer game. Platformers are really cool because they're quite simple to make. Okay, what happens now? Oh, there's a platform.
Oop.
Oh, too fast. Now it's way better now. All right, so you don't have to use the microphone, but you can write in the chat about your experience, like how was it to make the game? What went right? What went wrong? Was it nice to work in a team? Would you do it again? So on. It's a really stressful game.
Oh, you have to time properly.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, lucky one.
I have a question. So, just a question. Try to answer. So, what it has to do with the light and dark? I see that the character has some light parts and dark parts, but conceptually.
Okay, main character.
Okay. Yeah, why not? So main character has two.
Oh, shoot.
Of light.
Okay.
This guy is really jumping. So there you have the. Do you have any boss here?
Oh, too fast. Okay, let's see. When I climb up here, I'm cheating so much. I can't even cheat properly, as you can see. Okay. We have a boss. Okay. There we go. Oh, I'm very good at this game. I'm not cheating at all. I wouldn't even think about cheating.
Oh, they go together. And the distance it doesn't change.
Oh. Maybe
it seems to be impossible.
Okay. Nothing's impossible for me. There we did that. Okay. Easy. Okay. Now what happens? Okay. So what happens when you reach the top like I did? Is something else supposed to happen? Oh no. We have idea. Oh, there was idea to do something, but you didn't have enough time? Okay. Okay, that was cool. It was really frustrating, but in a good way. Yeah, I think there's potential in this game as well. If you polish that, fix some bugs. Platformer games are quite popular, as you have seen. But yeah, what character go to place? Okay, so Igor, do you want to say anything else about the game or something that I should do before we move to the next game? Was there something I didn't show because maybe of the... Oh. Did I finish the game properly? Was I supposed to get up here and that's it?
It gets absolute light.
No, yeah, okay. Okay, so it seems like you're in a really dark place and you have to jump your way up to the light. Okay, cool. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for making the game. In Canvas is FileScript. Oh, there's supposed to be something else, but it didn't work right now. Okay.
Okay. Applauses.
Right. That's cool. Obviously, you can still finish the game if you have like time. You can continue developing all the games. I have made so many Game Jam games that I had never really finished. So, yeah, but it's fun practice. Right, next game. So we have done Voidskeeper, Sweeper. We have done Carlos game. We have done this one. We haven't done that one yet. Okay, let's see. That seems interesting. So, Onyx, Tainted, I don't know. Pain, Suffering, and Time Paradox. That seems interesting. Let's check this game out. Show folder. Okay, so that's Unity game as well. Is the creator of this game here right now?
Can you tell me who is the author? From Itch.io.
It's 5H69.
Okay. 1 hour 9 seconds before the deadline. He's the author of this game here with us. So either the author is not here or is hiding. Anyway, we can play it.
Yeah, we can play that. So let's see. I'll have to unzip this as well. All right, let's do that. Okay, let's try this out. So more info. When this happens, click more info and run anyway. Oh, we have a 3D game. That looks cool.
And this is...
And with animations. Movement is E to switch. Oh.
So you are the author, right?
Busted. Cue the rewriting this. Okay. So we have animations. That's really cool as well.
Yeah, they're really cool. Shadow.
And we have timelines like that. That's really cool because that really as you can see with one timeline you can't go through here, and if you press E then now you can. The door is open, the door closes. That's a really cool concept right now. Oh, do I have to press something? No. Good luck, you must find a key. Okay. So there's empty room here, but is it empty? No, yep, it's completely empty. That's interesting, it's like a maze. Oh, it's still locked. Oh, that's open. Oh, there's a purple sphere. Okay, so when I press, that's really cool. So basically it's like a balloon in your pocket. So when you press Q, then it increases in size until you can. That's really cool. I like that. So the longer you press it down, the bigger it goes. Yeah.
And why you need this balloon? I missed that.
It's a key.
Okay.
So as you can see, I have like purple key. It's not the balloon, but it's a key. It's just a visual representation. Is if you want to see what items you have, you press Q key, and the longer you hold this down, you can see the bigger it goes. So that's really, I really like that.
Inflates, like.
Yeah, it inflates. I'm getting confused.
Good. It's a top-down game then. Top-down game.
Orange key. So now I have two
balloons.
Two spheres. Two balloons.
You can make a party then.
Okay, I think now I have all the keys I need. So let's see. Let's go down here. No. Wrong way. Let's start. Okay. Okay, I think I had to go down here. Because I remember there was something here. Oh no, there was the key. I think the panda moment is laughing. Like, I can't play this game at all, but like...
Can I ask a question? Panda, I think that Panda Moments, I think that you are the author of this game. At least I understand it from the chat. Oh, something happening here. Animation is done by you, yourself, or your team, or is it some asset? Ready asset integration here. Unit assets, okay.
Oh wow,
that's absolutely all right. Labyrinth. And what is the purpose of the game now? You have got the key to the big exit now. Okay.
Okay, I have like four keys now.
Orange, pink, yellow, and black. Or gray, black.
I think I have to go down now. Okay, so that's our second level. Like, good. That's a good idea to split everything up like this, so it also is less heavier for the performance as well. So that's a good thing. Okay, I see there's a locked door up here. So how can I get there? Can I go up here? I think I've been here. Okay. Can you... It was up there. Up here?
No.
Do I have to go...
Upper right corner.
Upper right corner.
It was up there.
This one. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I think the color code was a little difficult to understand. Oh, anything else? Oh, that's the second level, is it that? Oh, okay.
Running, running, running.
Oh, there's a pistol up here as well. Can I jump? No.
Oh, there is something there. How can you get that one? Remember to try
switching modes. Oh, wow. Oh.
Car.
A key? That's really cool. I like the concept, like, you know, switching between dark and light. That's like really well done in terms of the team. Oh, okay. That was a tricky one. So as you can see, I can go up here,
do this,
and I can go here.
I mean, when you switch,
That's
okay,
nice.
got it. When you switch dark or light,
then the level changes.
The level changes. Interesting concept.
Okay, I have yellow one. Can I? What's up with this? What can I do with this box? Does I have the yellow key?
It's a dining table.
Oh. I needed a car. Why did I need the pistol though? Oh, I see. I'm gonna drop the gun. Oh.
Of the president dropped it.
Wow. Oh, okay, that's a really deep ending, so you can't actually do anything. I pressed 2, but nothing happened, so there, I actually had no choice. It was just illusion.
Applauses here for this game also. That was, Karen, interesting, right? They like switching between light and dark, and then things change. The level changes.
Yeah, that was really cool, and it had an ending, so the ending was really philosophical, I guess. That was cool. I really liked the team.
Well done.
Okay, so Arctic.
Just a question. How many people were there in this team? 2 or 3 or 1? One is not a team. Well, 1 is also team, right? Solo. You're working with yourself.
Yeah, it's
you talk to yourself, manage yourself, blame yourself, motivate yourself, and so on. Artix asks to turn sound a little bit. I mean, up. To increase the sound. Okay. That's, I'm now keeping my hand on mute. Maybe there will be some like surprise boom to my ears.
So make sure if you have headphones, then like hold them away from your ears just in case. And if you have speaker, then have your fingers on the button just in case. So sometimes the system sound is really loud. So it's not as loud for me, but the people in the chat, it might be really loud. So okay. Wow, that looks nice. Really abstract UI. Really cool.
I think there are sounds on menu, right?
Okay. Yeah, I can hear some sounds.
Okay.
Colored by Artix, art made by Fate. It's cool. I like the art. It looks really nice. Okay. Everything looks cool. Okay. Oh, okay. This kind of game. There's also
That was scary. That was really scary.
I just turned up the volume as well because I was trying to hear the footsteps, so it was like really loud for me. Okay. Now, okay, volume down. It is.
For me, it's all right. So, Karen, I'm so happy that we're not doing this stream in the nighttime.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, but it needed to be dark in the room. Yeah. Oh, you mean in the game room? Okay.
Wow. Got the key. Wow. So it keeps. That's pretty creepy. Because it keeps on, like, if you go close to the box, then it triggers.
Oh, here's the exit. Whew.
Okay, there's one more key. Okay, I see already some cool concepts being used. So the character also has the light around. I know what you mean. So basically, okay, I understand now. The whole scene is supposed to be black, so you can't actually see those boxes. So right now it seems like, oh, okay, I can easily avoid the scary parts. But that's okay. The game is like, because I had volume up to 50, then it really scared me. So, but yeah, if you fix that, definitely upload the game. Like, yeah, it's already uploaded, but definitely if you can upload that and like port that to mobile or something, I think it's cool. The art is cool. Those are the traps basically that trigger the horrible picture and also the sound. So there are some glitches, but that's okay. You didn't have too much time, so the first room worked perfectly well. So now we're basically supposed to, everything has to be like dark, and there's this, when you approach a key or something, then it basically has to circle around. That only shows the road and also the walls and the key. So yeah, that's what architects meant by not having the proper light in the room. So everything is supposed to be pitch black. So the character is exploring all the walls and everything to reach the key eventually. But that's okay. It's still a really good submission, and I already like this game a lot. So now I'm supposed to look for the entrance. Did you launch the right file? I can see this. That's the only one I had. So when I refresh, no, that's old. Did I get the old one? Okay, let's try this again. Is anyone in the chat? Everything turned like they were really quiet. Okay. Maybe I downloaded this before. In the Zoom. Do I have Zoom open? Am I in the Zoom chat? No, I actually am.
Karen?
Okay, I got confused because...
all right. Then I'll have a question
Yeah?
after you demonstrate the last game. I'll ask it after your demo.
Okay, let's give this another go. This should be the latest one now.
Run anyway. It told
okay,
you
that's
that.
better.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
So, but now it's going to be scary. See, now you can traps anymore. Yeah, so that's not better. So yeah. I found the key. Is this game gonna end as well? Like, does it have a special ending? because the pictures are like behind the game. So I can only hear the sound now. But it's like at first it's really scary. But later on it's not that scary. Okay, you can also avoid the traps if you know where they are, kinda. If you, actually, I don't know how to avoid the traps, but that's okay. So we have the third room. Oh, okay. Key somewhere here, I think, if I remember. Yep, that's cool. Let's see what happens. Is that the final scene? No? It's really cool. I really like the artwork, to be honest. It's difficult to look at, which is fun. It kind of looks nice. It's not too over the top, so I like that. That's cool. Cool. So, how do you describe your work experience with someone who lives in a different country? Was it easy to work together?
Easy.
It was easy.
Easy. Of course,
That's
you
good.
have internet. I'm sorry, Karen. I want to comment. That's good. Easy because you have internet, you have collaborative tools and whatever. Let's say some 30 years ago, that was less possible.
Yeah, I think it's easier when you have like, you know, if you have artist and programmer, then it's quite simple. One person does his job and another person does like the other job. If you have like two programmers, then it's gonna get more difficult, I think. Okay. Oh. Right.
And why? To coordinate, you mean?
Yeah, I think it's difficult. What happens now? I tried to go through the door, but nothing happens. Oh, it broke. Okay. Oh, so basically it's just looping? Okay, that's a cool approach as well. Okay. Again, very interesting game. The first jump scare was really scary. Okay, so we had 5 entries in total. I don't think we have any other games, so we did look at this one, that one, that one, that one, and that one.
Applauses. Physical and virtual.
Excellent. Okay, cool. Okay. Right, that was really nice to see. It was really cool to see everyone making games. So we had 14 people joining in, 5 entries, and that's a really good number because it's really difficult to get people all over the world basically to join online. You may think that it's easy because it's online, but I had trouble getting those numbers with physical people joining in. when I was hosting game jams at Solent University. I think I have some jams here. Joined, so we had like 14 people and 4 submissions. This one only had 2 people joining in, so that was cancelled. There was 9 people, 6 submissions. So as you can see, I was hosting game jams with real people, and there was no, global epidemic going around or something like that. It was like all was good, so to say, and still people, there's not that many people joining in. So right now we had like 14 people, which is more than most of the game jams actually, except for this one.
At university.
At the university where people were like, studying this game development full time. So
cool.
So that's it. It's really cool.
I think big applauses goes to Karen for organizing and managing this game jam. And this is the first one actually here together in our server in Datorium. And I think, Karen, this is very good tradition to continue this, right? And this is just a start, just the start, I think. So next time you will have at least twice more. And hopefully, if you can double it every time, that means in 2-3 years you have a lot of thousands, I think. Yeah, right. If you do that, let's say 2 or 3 times a year. So that's 2 power, let us say 3, 2 power 6, 2 power 9, and so on. Yeah, so really let's thank Karen. Karen, thank you for this. And now what is next?
Right now, so everyone has seen the games. Basically, we're gonna wrap up in real soon. Then we're gonna me and you we're gonna judge the games based on different scores and criteria we have set. But if you have any comments or feedback or something you would like to say before we wrap up, then now you can do so. Basically after this we're gonna judge the games and then we're just gonna announce the winners. I don't think we need to make a live stream to announce the winners. We can just make an announcement in Discord, because I know everyone is eager to have some pancakes on this lovely Sunday, and mind your own stuff that you need to get done.
Absolutely.
So we don't want to take too much time out of your day.
Yeah, and we will announce that. Oh, sorry, Karen. And then we will announce that as soon as it is ready, right? It can be today or maybe tomorrow, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna basically select, the best game that was, all around the best in every way, within this limited time frame. And then we're also going to give some specific awards, like let's say best art and so on. So yeah, and also everyone's going to get a nice participation award, because I think everyone who did participate, you have put some work into your game, and it's really nice to see you trying to make a game, because you don't really have to make a game for the game jam. You don't even have to join the game jam. So I think everyone who did put some time into this deserve to be recognized in this area. And it's really cool to see games like this.
Cool.
All
right, so let's wrap up the session. Thank you all for joining the session, and we will put the video, I think we will put the video also on YouTube. So it will be also in YouTube, because it's easier, to get videos from YouTube. So it will be there also. So thanks for joining. I think the biggest prize for everyone, for each of you, is the participation and this experience. This is the biggest prize.
Yeah.
And Karen answers that to be announced. So I think it will be today, tomorrow, let us see, because we will need some time to judge. Probably we'll look into some codes and so on, like game logic and so on. It can take some time.
Right. Before we finish this, I would like to say, can you see my screen, right? What you have to do now, what I recommend you to do is, as you click here on the submissions, you have to like click on the names here, like this. Make sure you follow each other, you know. Look at your games. Okay, this didn't work. Oh, you can follow here. So make sure you follow everyone who participated. I'm following, you know, most of you already, but, you know, make sure you make connections with each other. So because you all can make games, so it's really cool to see. So follow each other at niche. So when you make games together or alone, you can see what, you know, the people you know, what are those people up to. So make sure you follow each other, connect, and yeah, that's about it.
Yeah, that's a cool suggestion. And for example, in future game jams, you can invite each other to join your teams, right? So make your connections.
Yeah,
absolutely. All right, Karen, the last word with you. I mean, if do you announce this session closed?
Yes, thank you everyone for joining in, and see you on the next game jam.
Super. See you.
Right.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Don't forget the Easter egg.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure you look at the Easter egg.
Okay.
Open this Voidskeeper game and wait in the scene for 6 minutes, and you will see an Easter egg. So don't forget about that either.
Okay.
All right. Like I said before, thanks everyone for joining in. I'm gonna stop my everything now.
Bye-bye.